Okay, this is how you make glow-in-the-dark slime. What you need is darkness and glue, borax, lotion, and some baking soda. What you do is you take your glue, as you can see, put it in a bowl, mix it with food coloring, so you don't have to do food coloring at the end because it smears all over the place. You do that, mix it, half a cup of borax in your glue. Then you put a cup of baking soda with probably like a quarter and a half of lotion. You mix it all together and you have slime. And for make it to glow in the dark, you need to get this powder. Hope this was helpful.